Are you looking for the top 5 best DJ controllers for beginners? Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed when trying to mix tracks at parties or events? Here are the 5 best DJ controllers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4. First up is the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4, priced at $329. This lightweight controller caught my attention with its sleek graphite finish and pro-level features. If you want to jump into DJing without a steep learning curve, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The DDJ FLX4 is compatible with a variety of devices, including PC, Mac, iPhones, and Androids. This means you can mix on the go without being tied to one setup. It also comes with Serato DJ Lite, so you can start mixing right out of the box, no extra software needed. Plus, it supports popular streaming services like Tidal and SoundCloud, which means access to millions of tracks at your fingertips. This flexibility is huge when you want to keep the party going. However, I have to mention a flaw. Some users found that the jog wheels felt a bit sensitive, which can make scratching a little tricky. Now, some people complained about this issue, but here's the thing. If you're just starting out, you might actually appreciate that sensitivity, as it helps with learning faster. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to get into DJing without feeling overwhelmed. Skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced right off the bat. At $329, it offers solid value for its features. Now, if that sensitivity in the jog wheels is a concern for you, this next one takes a
Product number 2, Alpha Theta DDJ FLX2. Next is the Alpha Theta DDJ FLX2, priced at an impressive $188.98. This compact controller caught my eye for its portability and ease of use. If you want a simple solution for mixing without the hassle, this is definitely worth a look. What sets this DJ controller apart is its effortless setup. You can connect it to your phone, tablet, or computer in minutes, no drivers needed. It weighs less than a laptop, making it easy to carry around. Plus, with the Smart Fader and Smart CFX features, you can create smooth transitions and effects without needing to be a pro. This is especially helpful if you want to impress your friends without spending hours practicing. However, some users have noted that the build quality feels a bit flimsy, which is concerning for those who plan to use it frequently. But honestly, if you're mainly using it for casual mixing or travel, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're someone who values portability and ease of use. Skip this one if you need a more rugged controller for heavy use. At under $200, it's a great investment for beginners.
Product number 3, Numark Party Mix 2. The Numark Party Mix 2 comes in at just $129, and it's designed for those who want an engaging experience. The built-in LED light show really grabbed my attention. If you're looking to mix and put on a light show at the same time, this one's definitely worth considering. The Party Mix 2 is a complete DJ system with 2 decks and a built-in audio interface, making it easy to connect to your computer. The exciting lighting effects sync to the music, which can elevate any party vibe. Plus, it lets you stream from popular services like Tidal and Spotify, so you can access tons of music without needing to download it first. This is great if you don't have a huge music library yet. Now, one drawback is that some users feel the jog wheels are a bit small, which could affect mixing precision. But look, if you're just starting out or mixing casually, this should be fine and you'll likely enjoy all the added fun features. This is perfect for you if you're planning a party or just want to mix in a fun way. Skip this one if you're looking for something more professional. At $129, it's a steal for the feature.
Product number 4, Numark DJ Tigo 2 Touch. Next, we have the Numark DJ Tigo 2 Touch, priced at only $89. I was blown away by how portable it is. It's about the size of a tablet. If you want something ultra portable without losing functionality, this one's a great option. The DJ Tigo 2 Touch includes all the essential mixing tools, like touch capacitive jog wheels and a crossfader. It also comes with its own audio interface, which means you can plug it into any speaker or headphone setup. This flexibility is important when you're on the move or practicing in different locations. You can also stream from major providers like Apple Music and Tidal, which is fantastic for accessing a variety of tracks. However, some users pointed out that it might feel a bit cramped for those with larger hands. Here's the thing. If you're comfortable with smaller gear or just practicing, this shouldn't hinder your experience.
This is perfect for you if you're a mobile DJ or a beginner who needs a compact solution. Skip this one if you have larger hands or prefer more space during mixing. At $89, it's an unbeatable price for the features.
Product number 5, Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 Black Bundle. Lastly, we have the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 Black Bundle for $369.99. What caught my attention is the included carrying case, which makes this a fantastic choice for mobile DJs. If you want a professional setup that's easy to transport, this is worth considering. This bundle features a user-friendly layout inspired by professional gear, ensuring that you'll feel comfortable using it right away. The Smart Fader and Smart CFX features automatically adjust for you, which is a lifesaver during live performances. You can also connect a mic for live streaming or emceeing, adding more versatility to your gigs. The protective case means you can take this setup anywhere without worrying about damage, which is essential if you're frequently on the go. One downside is the higher price point compared to others on this list. But here's the thing, if you're serious about DJing and plan to use this frequently, the investment pays off with its durability and features. This is perfect for you if you're a serious beginner or intermediate DJ who performs often. Skip this one if your budget is tight or if you're just dabbling in DJing.
Alright, let's quickly recap. We had the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4, great for beginners, the Alpha Theta DDJ FLX2, which is super portable, the Numark Party Mix 2, perfect for parties, the Numark DJ 2Go 2 Touch, ultra compact, and finally, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 Black Bundle, ideal for serious performers. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Pioneer DJ FLX4 because it balances features and ease of use perfectly for anyone starting out. However, I'd avoid the Numark DJ 2Go 2 Touch if you have